all founders to see if they qualify to enter into this victoryWithAsh platform, which will start the process to see if they become recipients of this amazing platform. This platform will be the training ground to see if founders can truly become many treasures consisting of precious people dedicated to the good of humanity. Mr. Ash Mufareh's I win.
With Ash platform will unearth hidden treasures,
precious gems, and other incredibly valuable individuals. These treasured people are the founders who form the very foundation of victoryWithAsh. These founders are characterized as unselfish, giving, loving, compassionate, and self-sacrificing. They are ready to do whatever is necessary through ethical and clean methods to help victoryWithAsh on its journey to carry those in a row to the big, bold, beautiful shared dream. The new company being created by Mr. Ash Mufareh and his technology team.
This organization is a collection of founders from every segment of society, all ready to help everyone achieve success.
Each of these founders is worth his and her weight in diamonds, shining brightly for all to see. They are more valuable and durable than gold, as beautiful as corals in the oceans. Mr. Mufareh has uncovered these hidden treasures, and they are hidden no more. The dedicated technology teams are also invaluable treasures to the new company. While inanimate things form the necessary infrastructure, it is the living people who add the most profound value. victoryWithAsh is built upon these treasures with Mr. Ash Mufareh.